Hello kids, hopefully you are doing great and taking great care of COVID-19 protocols. Welcome to Unleash Math, a YouTube channel specifically aimed at learning abstract and complex mathematical concepts in a systematic manner to help you develop a better understanding of the world. Here we explore beautiful linkages between numbers, their origins, and fabulous stories behind them, while explaining to you their mathematical significance and impetus. Hello everyone, welcome to How Did People Start Counting on Their Hands? And we have mechanically operated AI systems to carry on their counting operations. In this video, we shall be discussing the history of mathematics, its evolution and invention. So let's get started. The availability of mathematics could be realized since ancient times in the form of counting. It is a very simple form of mathematics where ancient people used their thumb, finger parts, hand pans, and what not also use some external shapes and figures. These include using stones to count their herds and other livestock animals. The numerical system for Babylonian people was based on the hexagonal numerical system that is generally based on 60. Thus, it is clear that the current time system, like 60 seconds is 1 minute, is based upon the Babylonian mathematics, post which there was a prevalence of Roman numerals in Europe, which were missing an important piece of the zero, right? The role of Indian mathematicians like Aryabhatta, Pinangala and Brahmagupta were admirable in the invention of zero, and it was passed to the Western countries through Islamic mathematicians, which super simplified the representation of the numbers and helped flourishing the current decimal numeral system. If we have a look at the mathematical operations, multiplication along with the geometrical and divisional problem grew in the era of 2500 BC to 3000 BC. Some clay tablets have been recovered which proved the evidence about using the algebra, quadratic and cubic equations. In the 9th century, the Persian mathematician Muhammad ibn e Musa Ali Khwarizmi wrote an important book on the Hindu-Arabic numerals. He provided an explanation for the algebraic solution of the quadratic equations with positive roots. He also was the first to teach algebra in an elementary form and for its own sake. His most significant work is the book, the Compendious Book on Calculation by Completion and Balancing. In Egypt, Abu Kamil extended algebra to the set of irrational numbers, accepting square roots and fourth roots as the solution and coefficients to the quadratic equation. One unique feature of his work was trying to find out all the possible solutions to some of his problems, including one where he has found as many as 2676 solutions. COVID-19 made us all realize the true value of exponential functions and logarithmic functions. Major work in logarithmics was done by John Napier in the year of 1614. It reduces the calculation time significantly and gives birth to the relatively new and mathematically diverse idea based upon graphs. In the 17th century, Isaac Newton, who is famous for his apple eating habits, gave the most significant principle for the mathematics in the form of calculus, which transformed the whole field entirely. In 19th century, George Boole, a British mathematician, actually formed the basis of Boolean algebra that includes only 0 and 1. This remains the basis of all our modern digital data. Had Boolean not invented this, you won't have been able to watch this particular video. In the same century, mathematics became an increasing abstract subject. Carl Friedrich Gauss promoted this area of interest. He did revolutionary work on the functions of complex variables. The fundamental theorem of algebra and quadratic reciprocity law was also first propounded by him. Now the subject is growing even larger. Computers are ever more so important and now more powerful. Data has become the new oil. Currently, mathematics sits at the core of every new invention that is making our life easier than ever. With that, our video comes to an end. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Tell what else you want to learn from us in the comment section, and don't forget to share any other ideas or queries you may have in the comments. Please like. Thank you.